Alright, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 7 games on Windows 11. So you can have your Solitaire, your Purple Palace, and all of those nostalgic games on Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to go into your Google Chrome, okay, and then you're going to paste this link which is in the description below. So just going to copy that. So you copy and just paste the link, okay, paste that. Let it open. Okay, so it says it's for Windows 10 anniversary update and above, so it can be supported on Windows 11 as well. Scroll down. Okay, hold on, it should be somewhere above, sorry, right here. Okay, so it says download, just click on that, close this, scroll down, download games, and it should start downloading. It'll take a while, so let it download, guys. It's a pretty big file. It's about 147 MB, so let it download. Okay guys, so once it's done, just open it. Make sure you have WinRAR or 7-zip, okay, to extract the file, and then you can just drag and drop it here on your desktop. Okay, once you extracted it, double click on the application, click on yes, click on OK, let it load. It'll take a while to load, just let it load, be patient. Okay, so once it pops up, just click on next, and here you have all of the games selected. You can select internet games as well. I'm just going to leave it unchecked as default. Just click on install, and you can uncheck both of this and click on finish. Now if you go into your Windows Start button, okay, and then you can type in Solitaire. You have Solitaire, okay, and then you can find for Purple Place, okay. You have your Windows 7 games here, guys. So it's a very simple process, and I hope that I help you relive your childhood. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.